Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is episode 4 of my comfort food series. Today I'll be making kheer, which is a type of rice pudding. I normally make it when I'm craving something sweet and cold, but the good thing about kheer is that you can have it either hot or cold, and it goes in any type of gathering, and mostly everyone will love it. So let's not waste more time and let's get started. To make kheer, we'll need 1/4 cup rice. I have soaked this for around 1 hour. 1.5 cup whole milk, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 1 tablespoon raisins, a pinch of cinnamon powder, 4 green cardamoms, 8 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon almonds, and 2 teaspoon ghee. I have soaked raisins and almonds overnight, but this is an optional step. So our kheer is ready. I have not removed the rose petals. So it is one of those dishes which you smell and then you eat. So I'm going to smell it and then try it out. I mean, I'm just kidding. You don't need to smell it. The creaminess. So I prefer cooking it at low heat. That really brings out the creaminess, because all the starch from rice, it mixes with the milk and the texture is really creamy at this point. So good. I'm going to continue eating this and probably another glass which I kept on the table. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how did you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.